Hi everyone. We went to New Zealand last year for a few days. I really wanted to get started journaling all of the photos and experiences that we had while we were there, and I wanted to share with you what I got done. I am journaling these out of order, so this is not officially day one, but you've just got to go where the inspiration takes you. And I really wanted to start on our little stop that we took to the Big Apple. I think it's currently called the Homestead, and it's between Otorohanga and Waitomo. So we traveled up to the caves, and then we made a little stop at the Big Apple before traveling back down to the national park. So these are photographs I took on the day. I managed to print them off just on my home printer, and I did a little bit of patchwork here to sort of these letterboxes into this little pot here. I've used some beautiful origami paper in the back, some repurposed chippy wrapper from my pub dinner that we had the other night, some beautiful stickers for just a bit of light text on the page. This map is just from Google Images that I printed off myself, or Google Maps I should say. These are also photos that I took on the day. The visitor center has a really cute little honey area. There were chickens that we saw, so I sourced these from a vintage kids book that was falling to pieces. I did back the photos onto paper, sort of going with a green and red theme here, obviously because of the apple. This particular page is a paper weaving that I did. I've repurposed just a little junky envelope. I do want to add some more things to stuff in here. So we've got some bees, and I did these little sticker bee, what are these called? Honeycombs myself, but I do want to sort of be able to add some more ephemera into this little envelope here, carrying through the illustrations and the beehives. I haven't bound these yet, as you can see. My plan is to just construct all the pages and then bind them at the end. These were some more photographs that I took on the day, and a rainbow came out right as we arrived, which was absolutely magical, and something that I wanted to include a couple of pictures of. This was the weather before the rainbow came out, and it was this gorgeous grey colour. And I've just included some PVE or PV stickers, I think is what they're called. Some stamping, and just a recreation of the journal entry that I typically, when I travel, I carry a book and just document everything from the day in pencil so that I can remember my trip. And I just used some scrunched up tissue paper that I've added some watercolor to, and Mod Podged that underneath my little entry on the journal card. And carrying through the themes and the materials, this is some old wrapping paper and the chippy wrapper. So it sort of all ties together, and even though this was a very short little experience in our trip, I took lots of photos and I wanted to include them all, but I had to be a bit sparing. And because our trip was reasonably short, 9 days including travel, each experience I hope to kind of chronicle in this level of detail so that I can include lots of photos. So that was my first little session of journaling for my 2024 New Zealand travel journal. I will keep sharing as I keep going through all the different experiences and pages. Let me know if you yourself enjoy travel journaling or just journaling in general, and if you would like to see some more of these little flick throughs. I hope you have a great day.